Warning! This video contains cats with absolutely zero shame. From food theft to gravity experiments, these fluffy criminals are guilty of being hilarious. Hit like if you're ready for chaos. Innocent snack heist. Notice the precision, the audacity, the complete disregard for human ownership. Scientists still argue, is it art? Is it science? Or are cats just tiny agents of chaos? You decide. This cat didn't just steal the dog's bed. They stole his will to live. Worth it. When your cat looks at you like you're a malfunctioning Roomba, that's the moment you know you've been judged. The Oscar for most dramatic destruction of a household item goes to this cat. Comment below, should they be arrested or given a treat?